This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension called LetsDoItnewtab. LetsDoItnewtab is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This particular extension, LetsDoItnewtab, may actually change the default search engine settings of your browser without your permission. Therefore, if it was somehow found on your computer, you need to get rid of these unwanted browser extensions. So access the menu, go to extensions, then manage extensions, and get rid of any junk extensions if you detect their presence on the list. Also, I would recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other infections which could possibly still stealthily remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.